When it comes to nutritional powerhouses, few contenders can match the chia seed. Despite their diminutive size, chia seeds have earned their place as a vital component of a healthy diet. The ancient Aztec and Maya civilizations recognized their worth, and modern science continues to unveil the myriad health benefits they offer. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the incredible advantages of incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet. Stay tuned until the end of the video to know how to incorporate this into your diet. Timestamp is also available if you want to skip to that portion of the video. You're watching the InfoIndex, where learning never stops. Let's get started. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Chia seeds, scientifically known as Salvia hispanica L., hail from the heart of Central America. These seeds have a rich historical legacy, with Aztec and Mayan civilizations incorporating them not only into their diets but also into medicinal practices, religious rituals, and cosmetics. Providing the following essential nutrients, chia seeds pack an impressive nutritional punch in a mere 2 tablespoons. This nutritional profile is nothing short of remarkable, underscoring the fact that size does not diminish the nutritional potential of these seeds. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds also excel in another critical area, antioxidants. These compounds not only safeguard the fragile fats within chia seeds from oxidation but also deliver a host of health benefits to the human body. Antioxidants are our allies in neutralizing free radicals, the reactive molecules that can wreak havoc on our cellular compounds, leading to aging and diseases like cancer. The specific antioxidants present in chia seeds, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myristin, quercetin, and kaempferol, offer protective effects for the heart and liver, along with potential anti-cancer properties. For instance, chlorogenic acid may aid in blood pressure reduction, while caffeic acid boasts anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Weight management. Chia seeds are a boon for those on a weight management journey. With nearly 10 grams of dietary fiber in just 1 ounce, 28 grams, they are a remarkable 35% fiber by weight. While research on this subject yields mixed results, some studies suggest that incorporating fiber into your diet may play a role in preventing overweight and obesity. Additionally, the protein content in chia seeds can help curb appetite and reduce food intake. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds with yogurt for breakfast increases feelings of fullness and reduces food consumption in the short term. 4. Heart health. Chia seeds, with their fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content, contribute to heart health. Soluble fiber, predominantly found in chia seeds, can lower total and LDL, bad cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Consuming omega-3 fatty acid has also been linked to decreased heart disease risk. While research results on the connection between chia seeds and heart health vary, some studies in both animals and humans have shown that these seeds can lower certain risk factors for heart disease and reduce blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart-related issues. 5. Bone health. Chia seeds are a rich source of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acid, all crucial nutrients for maintaining healthy bones. Observational studies indicate that these nutrients are vital for maintaining good bone mineral density, an indicator of bone strength. Animal studies have also shown promising results, with rats fed chia seeds displaying increased bone mineral content. While more human-specific research is needed, the preliminary evidence hints at the potential bone-strengthening benefits of chia seeds. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds can potentially assist in regulating blood sugar levels, mainly due to their high fiber content and other beneficial compounds. Consistently elevated fasting blood sugar levels are linked to a higher risk of various complications, including heart disease. Animal studies have indicated that chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. Older human studies suggest that incorporating chia seeds into your diet may lead to lower post-meal blood sugar spikes in healthy adults. However, more extensive human research is necessary to establish a definitive connection between chia seeds and blood sugar regulation. How to incorporate into diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily regimen is a breeze. Their mild flavor makes them versatile and adaptable to various recipes. Whether you prefer them raw, soaked in juice, added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, or baked goods, chia seeds can elevate your culinary experience. They also excel as thickeners in sauces and as egg substitutes in recipes. A commonly recommended daily dosage is around 1.5 tablespoons, 20 grams, of chia seeds, twice per day. Ensure adequate hydration to prevent potential digestive side effects, especially if you are new to consuming high-fiber foods. Chia seeds are more than just a dietary trend, they are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, they offer a range of potential health benefits, from supporting weight management to reducing the risk of heart disease. While the existing research is promising, further studies involving human subjects are warranted to solidify these findings. To harness the potential advantages of chia seeds, consider incorporating them into your diet. These unassuming seeds might just become your next nutritional secret weapon. Thank you for joining us on the InfoIndex. Feel free to share your personal thoughts in the comments section below. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on new learnings.